Hello children, how are you? Can I ask you something? What is the number which you think has of no value? Is it 0? Okay, so now what will happen if you get 0 marks? It has no value. So you always want 10 marks out of 10, not 0. So here this is a lesson about 0 or Soonya. That is the lesson Soonya chapter 9 at page 64. So children, let us go through the mind map. Soonya, that is 0 and alone it has no value, but if it is joined to 1 it becomes 10. If it is if you add one more 0 to 1 it becomes 100 or 100. Then if you add yet again another 0 to 1 it becomes 1000 or 1000. And if you add a total of 4 zeros, 4 शून्य अगर हम जोड़ेंगे तो कितने बन जाएंगे? 10,000 यानी कि 10,000. So children, let me explain to you this lesson in short. This is 1. Now he is alone. So what we will do? Now if this 0, he has no value. But if you join it with 1, it becomes 10. Won't you love to have 10 marks out of 10? So it becomes a big value. Now think, if we add one more 0. So how much will it become? 100 or 100. पहले 10, फिर अभी एक और 0 डाला तो शून्य डाला तो 100. अब हम सोचो कि एक और शून्य डालेंगे, one more 0. If you add, it will become 1000, 1000. अब इसका कितना ताकत बढ़ गया है. सोचो आपको 1000 चॉकलेट मिल जाए तो कितना आप खुश हो जाओगे. You will become so happy if you get 1000 chocolates. Think about one more 0 if you add. एक और शून्य ऐड किया तो कितना हो गया? 10,000. सोचो आपके पास 10,000 रुपये हो तो आप क्या क्या नहीं कर सकते हो. So children, don't think that 0 has no value, because if you add it to 1, its value, the value of 1 increases. So we will go through the hard meanings first. So children, let us go through some of the meanings. Soonya. Now you know it is 0, 0. Matlab, अर्थ, that is the meaning. इसका मतलब है like that, अर्थ. ताकत is शक्ति और power और strength. निश्चय, ज़रूर, surely. So children, now we will go through this lesson line by line. This is chapter 9, शून्य. So it is 0. शून्य एक ऐसा अंक है जो अन्य अंकों के बाद आकर उसकी शक्ति को कई गुना बढ़ा देता है. So शून्य or 0 is such a number that if it is added to other numbers like 1, 2, 3, any other number, what will happen? It will increase its power many folds or many times. पहले मैं सोचा करता था नहीं शून्य का कुछ भी मतलब. At first I used to think, सोचा is think, that 0 means nothing, कुछ भी नहीं. लेकिन इसमें कितनी ताकत, इसको जान गया हूँ मैं अब. But now I have come to know, जान गया हूँ, come to know how much power और ताकत it has in it. Next stanza. अगर एक के साथ शून्य हो, so if you add 0 with 1, एक is 1, and if you keep शून्य with 1, तो पूरे 10 बन जाएंगे. So it will be altogether 10. 10 is 10. 10 के साथ लगाओगे यदि तो पूरे 100 कहलाएंगे. So if you put 0 with 10, 10 के साथ आप लगाओ 0, then what will happen? It will become full 100, or it will be called 100 altogether. नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा. 100 के संग भी एक शून्य हो तो 1000 यह बन जाते हैं. इफ देर इज 1 0 विद 100, 100 इज 100, देन इट बिकम्स 1000 और 1000. एक शून्य यदि और यहाँ हो 10,000 फिर कहलाते हैं. And if you add another 0 here, then what will happen? It is called 10,000 or 10,000. Next stanza. कुछ भी नहीं समझते जिनको. So if you think of somebody as कुछ भी नहीं, nothing. Okay? साथ बिठा उनको देखोगे. So what will happen if you make them sit with you? साथ बिठा, together with you. बिठा means make them sit. तो 10 गुनी शक्ति अपने में. So what will happen? You will find that you have 10 times increased power in yourself. निश्चय बढ़ी हुई पाओगे. 10 गुनी शक्ति, 10 times power अपने में, in yourself. निश्चय, surely you will find, पाओगे, that it has increased, बढ़ी हुई, that it has increased. So this is the poem और this is a कविता जो रमेश कौशिक जी ने लिखी है. is written by रमेश कौशिक. So children, that was the poem. वो थी हमारी कविता शून्य. So what did you learn from this lesson? That if you are alone, so there won't be much strength. But if you think of somebody as they are nothing, but still if you make friends with them, what will happen? You will find that your power has increased. So what, suppose this is a 1. Alone it will break easily. But if you, suppose these are zeros, if you add these zeros together, now will you be able to break? It will be very difficult. In the same way, if you make friends with everybody, everybody has some or the other quality. Some may be zero in studies, but they may be good at sports or art or craft. So you should be able to make friends with everybody. And I'll tell you a secret. If you do that, who knows, you can become a leader one day or a neta. So that is the poem. So see you next time.